Well, I haven't been able to mill in months. It started. It's a Christmas miracle. Boxing Day miracle. I'm going to try to mill this great big son of a gun. There's no way I'm going to lift it up with the tractor. It's got to be 28, 30 inches across. I'll show you a measurement. But first I'm going to put a new blade on. There you go. The ripper. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's like a bear trap ready to spring. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It won't go. What the hell? Boy. Alright, it's gonna take both hands. Oh! Ha ha! Saved you the consternation of watching me trying to get that son of a thing on there. It's always a circus. But there's new blade. And of course it's totally backwards when I dumped it here in the spring, so we'll have to turn it all the way around with little baby tractor. Maybe I'll go get my wife's big tractor. Fuck. A little bit of problem with the cooling system, the blade cooling. Just poked the pokey up in the pokey, fixed it, let it set for a while and that happens. Kind of like repriming. Hopefully I can get this thing turned around. It weighs 1,000 pounds easy. It's about breaking a ram on the tractor. I have to go back up to the house and get the hand crank this son of a gun up on there, because none of the tractors I got will lift it. Typical. Last place I looked for it. Log of this size is pretty much a nightmare on a manual mill without any hydraulics and one-armed guy trying to crank that son of a gun. This ought to be good.